Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I found two of the Hot Wheels monster trucks, the monster duos as they're called, where it's a 1/64 scale truck and it comes with a die-cast car. Obviously there's 7 trucks in this assortment, and only 2 of them are new. Well, not necessarily new, but fairly new. Twin Mill and Roger Dodger have new paint schemes. So, what did I find? I got Roger Dodger with the new orange paint scheme, and Twin Mill with the new red paint scheme. So, first, we are going to take a look at Roger Dodger. So in this series, they come with these special, cars, but, mainly I got these because I wanted the new decos for the trucks. But, they're still cool anyway. I'll think of something for these. I don't know what. But, yeah. So that'll just go in my bin of crushed cars. Here we have the Roger Dodger truck, which is the main thing I wanted. I love this new paint scheme. So cool that, Roger Dodger is finally being released with a different scheme this time. So it's got the Hot Wheels logo on the side. It says 68 and then Hot Wheels. It's got some stripes. Then more pinstriping and everything. Very cool. And then obviously the iconic motor. And yeah. And yep. So another Roger Dodger with a new paint scheme. So that's pretty cool. And then now let's take a look at the new red Twin Mill, which is probably my favorite version of Twin Mill that they've come out with. First, here is the Twin Mill car. Not as exciting, but, I think the paint color is cool, though. And here's the Twin Mill monster truck. So, yeah, it's got the cool red paint. It's got the teeth and the eye, Hot Wheels logo. It says 68, and then the painted blue windshield. You got the stripes, and very cool truck. It's obviously kind of flat, but still awesome. So yeah, that is the unboxing of the new paint schemes for Twin Mill and Roger Dodger. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. If you did, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And as always, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and ring the bell for notifications. And stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day. Peace out, guys.